Sir, there have been reports of foreigners fighting along with Maute members. Aside from Asians, are there other foreigners joining them? What are the nationalities of the foreigners fighting alongside them?
As to the exact nationalities of foreign fighters allegedly in the area, we cannot say yet because we have not yet adequately proven even the existence of any of them in this particular fighting. What we have been saying is that we were able to come across some information still for confirmation that indicate that some of those who died who have been named seem to be foreigners. But we don't have proof yet. But with the amount of material that has been coming out and being recovered in the areas of conflict, there could be in this collection of documents and other materials proof that would indicate the existence of these foreign fighters. So let's wait for our intelligence people and our analysts to look into this collection of documents and materials, and perhaps they may be able to take or extract something from those. But for the previous operations that we have conducted in the area of Mindanao, there were identified 8 foreigners who have been helping all these armed groups, these terrorist groups. In fact, that may have been increased to 12 in number. And out of the 12, or out of the 8 earlier identified, madami na dun sa kanila na neutralized in successful operations. One of them is Sanusi, the religious figure who helped create Maute, who died in one of the operations. Another one is the Singaporean Mawia, and others. No, so out of the 8, perhaps there were around 5 or 6 who have been neutralized already. So there may be replacements for all these people who have been lost. And in earlier operations, as I mentioned, there is proof, recovery of passports, materials, pictures, and the like. But for this particular incident in Marawi, we hope to find out more as soon as we go through these documents that have been recovered. So let's wait for it.
Did you get any indication of the participation of non-Asian foreigners in the...
Of the 42 bodies that have been recovered in the area, it is so hard to make any distinction. Kasi magkakumukha naman eh. Ang Asians, they kind of have the same profile. So unless we do a DNA or do an exact forensics on the recovered bodies, that may be the only time when we can be very sure. So for now, we cannot, and based on what we have.
What I meant, sir, none of other races, clearly Caucasian.
Wala. So far, I understand that from the bodies that have been recovered, the profile kind of suits one origin.